Welcome back, dear ladies, where I share simple yet highly effective tips to help you care for your beloved home with ease and joy every day. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a budget-friendly and powerful kitchen cleaner using just toothpaste and lemon. It's so easy to prepare right at home. This method not only saves you money on expensive cleaning products, but it's also completely safe for your health. Gentle on your hands, doesn't sting your eyes, and is perfect for families with children or elderly members. Let's get started. First, cut a lemon in half. If there are seeds, gently remove them. Then, squeeze the juice into a small bowl. If you have a juicer, that's great. If not, squeezing by hand works just fine. Next, use a spoon to gently scrape out the remaining pulp inside the lemon to get all the essential oils. These are fantastic for cleaning. Once you've collected the juice, strain out any remaining seeds. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Now add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, or 2 tablespoons if your dish soap is more diluted. Stir the mixture well until the toothpaste dissolves completely. You'll get a lightly thick solution with a refreshing lemon mint scent. Very pleasant. Now, pour in 500 milliliters of warm water and stir everything together. You can pour the mixture into a spray bottle for convenience, or use a pump bottle like those for hand soap. It's super easy to control how much you use. And just like that, you have a safe, effective homemade cleaner, especially great for removing stubborn grease on stovetops. Just spray it onto the surface, let it sit for about 5 minutes, then gently wipe with a sponge. Everything will come off clean and shiny. It works wonderfully on grill racks, gas stoves, and any place that gets splattered while cooking. You can also use this solution on kitchen tiles, countertops, and cabinet doors. It's completely safe. It removes grease effectively without the harsh chemical smell, is non-toxic, and won't scratch surfaces like powdered cleaners sometimes do. The light scent even makes cleaning feel more comfortable and less suffocating than when using strong industrial products. The kitchen sink, which we use daily for dishes and raw food, can also be cleaned beautifully with this mixture. Just soak a sponge in the solution, wipe the sink thoroughly, and rinse with clean water. It'll shine like new and stay odor-free. If you've been looking for a way to reduce chemicals in your home, or if you want a quick, affordable cleaning solution, this recipe is a must-try. It protects your health while keeping your home clean, tidy, and cozy at all times. Give it a try today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Wishing you all good health, happiness, and a clean, loving home.